Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on a viral YouTube niche and break down exactly how you can dominate it with minimal effort and maximum earnings. This is an evergreen niche that you can start in 2025. Here's the best part. Unlike most viral niches that require hours of creating or turning images into videos, this one doesn't. With just a few powerful AI tools and the carefully curated prompts I've prepared for you, you'll be well on your way to becoming a viral creator in this untapped niche. And what excites me the most, only 2 channels are currently working in this niche, and both are gaining tons of subscribers and millions of views within just a few months. Sound exciting? Stick with me, and I'll walk you through exactly how you can replicate their success step by step. This video won't be fast-paced, because I've spent a lot of time researching this blueprint to ensure you get it right. I'll even share all the prompts in the video description so you can try them yourself. The potential is huge, and it's surprisingly easy to get started. So, grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's dive in. First, let me introduce you to the niche and why it's so exciting. Here's a channel called 50 Photos, which focuses on showcasing rare vintage and historical photographs with voiceovers. Despite being new, they've already gained over 17,000 subscribers and hit 1 million plus views on some videos. Here's the crazy part. There's another channel doing the same thing, and it's only 3 months old. Some of their videos have already crossed 100,000 views. Based on my research, these are the only 2 channels actively working in this niche. That means it's wide open for anyone ready to dive in. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel in 2025, this is your golden opportunity. Let me show you how to get started. We'll start by pasting the first prompt into ChatGPT and hitting enter. Next, head over to the video section of the channel we want to replicate. Copy all the relevant details, including video titles, descriptions, and stats, then paste them into ChatGPT. Finally, grab the About section and paste that in as well. Hit enter, and let the magic begin. ChatGPT starts processing everything we've provided, analyzing the top-performing videos, patterns, and strategies. Here's what we discovered. This channel focuses on historical photo compilations with specific themes like wars, celebrities, and rare moments. Their videos average 8 to 26 minutes, with the top-performing ones being around 24 to 25 minutes long. Now, we copy and paste the second prompt to generate channel name suggestions based on your target audience. For instance, I'm targeting the US, so I included US in the prompt. In seconds, ChatGPT generates unique and engaging channel name ideas. I picked Vintage Vault, simple, memorable, and perfect for the niche. Next, I used prompt 3 to refine the video titles. This step ensures that the titles are optimized for human psychology and most likely to attract clicks. ChatGPT analyzes the emotional triggers behind each title and gives us a list of the most clickable options. It's super effective for improving your video's reach. To find images for your video, paste the fourth prompt into ChatGPT, asking it to suggest specific types of photos based on your title. For example, 50 amazing rarely seen photos from World War II. ChatGPT generates a detailed list of 50 photo ideas, along with sources where you can find them. All we need to do now is gather the photos for our videos. The first source is the US National Archives. Click on the link provided, and it will take you directly to the website. Use keywords like World War II in the search bar. Once you've entered your search, click on the Images tab, and boom, you'll see a wide variety of photos ready to download. Click on any image you like, and don't forget to download both the image and its accompanying information so you can credit the photo appropriately. To streamline the process, open a new document, insert the images, and copy and paste the attribution details alongside them. Next, let's check out Wikimedia Commons. Click on the link, and in the search bar, type World War II. One of my favorite features here is the ability to filter by license type. You can select images with no restrictions, meaning you'll need little to no attribution for their use. And just like that, you'll have access to thousands of images to choose from. Download a few, making sure to save their captions as well. For historical events like wars, you can even use AI-generated images. Just ask ChatGPT to create prompts, then use tools like MidJourney or Stable Diffusion to generate realistic visuals. One quick tip: upscaling your images improves their quality, making your video look cleaner and more professional. You can use tools like Canva, CapCut, or other image upscaling tools. For this tutorial, I'm using Krea AI. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done quickly. Now that we have our images ready, let's move on to editing them in CapCut. Upload the images to CapCut and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Once that's done, select all the images and duplicate them. For the duplicate layer, resize the images to fit the screen and apply a blur effect to create a polished background. Next, let's add some zoom-in effects using keyframes. It's super easy to do. Start by going to the beginning of the image and adding a keyframe. Then, move to the end of the image and zoom in slightly. This subtle effect adds depth and keeps your video visually engaging. Repeat this for all the images to ensure consistency throughout. After that, add captions with brief information about each photo. For example, World War II woman aircraft worker, Vega Aircraft Corporation, Burbank, California, 1942. Stick with me while I demonstrate how to do all of this in just a few seconds. Finally, add transitions like dissolve to create a smooth flow between images. Pair everything with royalty-free music from the YouTube library to add a relaxing vibe. And that's it. Your video is ready to upload. By following these steps, you can create engaging, high-quality videos and start building your YouTube empire in this viral niche. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.